the biggest thing to keep in mind is that the more of a system you have, the better chance you're going to have of making all of this repurposed content work for you. I'm gonna show you really fast a little system I use that's really, really easy, that just helps me stay organized without having to put much thought or effort into it. For starters, we have a master YouTube sheet that we like to use that has all the information we need to know for what needs to be posted, what needs to be done as far as posting goes, if the description hasn't been filled in yet, you know, if a thumbnail still needs to be created, what day the video will be posted. It just makes it really nice. I love to color coordinate things, so at a glance, whether I'm looking at it or someone from our team is looking at it, they know exactly what needs to be done. Originally, I did consider creating something like this for Instagram and TikTok, but I realized very quickly that I wanted it to be a little bit more of a quick thing, right? YouTube is our main bread and butter, but Instagram and TikTok, we still want to be able to post on them, but I need it to be like a quicker system. And you don't necessarily need all of this information to create those posts. It's a little simpler. So what I do instead is I keep them really organized within my Finder folders instead. So I can go over here to TikTok, for example, and I created 3 folders: ready to post, in drafts, and posted. This way, as soon as it's created, I can put it in ready to post. I keep them in a numbered system. From there, I create drafts in TikTok that I can just go through each day and just upload them really easy. For example, if you go into our TikTok, there's your drafts. I've got 10 of them in there right now. So all of these videos are currently ready to post. So when I wake up in the morning, first thing, I just post one of them. Everything's already been done. I've got my description, I've got my cover already done. All of the settings are set. So all I have to do is just hit post. I spent a couple of hours. I went through and I created all of my drafts for June so that I don't have to go in and do this every single day.